Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today look is going to be a soft smoky look. If you know how I get this look, let's get started. Let's start with the hair. So I am taking a hairspray, spraying on the comb and starting to back combing my hairs where I want most of the volume to be. I may look weird now, but that's okay. I'll take all my hairs using my fingers and make a high ponytail. You can make where you want it to be. With ponytail, I am going to make a bun and secure it with a U-pin. Now I am taking out the flex and clipping it to the back of my hair so that it doesn't interrupt me doing makeup. Starting with setting my face using the DIY Primer Plus setting spray. I made a video on this, you can get the link in the description box below. Now I am using Bio Wheat Gum Cream from Biotique. It's really very hydrating during summers and good for dry skin. Now using sunscreen lotion from Ayur with SPF 15. I love the liquidy consistency of it because it's get really easily absorbed to the skin. Now I'm using the Pond's BB cream with SPF 30. It's really good for summertime. It is dry, so you need to prep your skin before with a good moisturizer. What I used to do is first apply the BB cream in a dotted motion all over the face, and then I'll spread the product using the finger, and then I'll use a damp beauty blender and press it into my skin. That's how the product is used very less and gets a good amount of coverage, and also beauty blender doesn't soak the excess amount of product. Now using the concealer from Wet n Wild, I'll be focusing on my areas where I have acne and leave it for some time. By doing this method, I will get most of the coverage using the concealer and it will hide my acne as well. Now using Color Essence HD foundation stick in the shade Natural Brown, I will color correct my eyes. It has medium to sheer coverage. Now I am using a finger to blend it all over my eyelid, and then using a compact from Maybelline I will set all my eyes. Now using Maybelline the nude eyeshadow palette, I'll be taking the ash brown shade and using that to fill my eyebrows. So this eyeshadow palette is multi-purpose. You can use it in every day to fill your eyebrows, to contour your face, to highlight your face, and also you could use as an eyeshadow. It is really good for the beginners as it's not really pigmented, but you could always build it up. Now using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, I'll be using its brush to distribute the product evenly on my eyebrows. Now taking the brush which came with the palette, I will take the brown color and pat on my eyelid up to the crease, and then using a blending brush to blend the corners. Again taking the brown color and patting on my eyelid and taking the blending brush to blend the crease. Next, I am taking a flat brush with an angular tip and using a black shade from the palette and making a rough wing eyeliner. Then using a smudger brush, I will smudge so that I could get a smoky wing eyeliner look. Doing same with the other eye, I'll take the brown color and pat on my eyelid, and using a clean blending brush, I will blend the corners until I get the desired pigment. Again taking a flat angular brush, I'll draw a rough wing eyeliner using a black eyeshadow and then using a smudger brush to smudge that eyeshadow. Now taking the lightest brown eyeshadow from the palette in a brush, I'll be blending. Now using the lightest shade from the palette, I'll be using it to blend above my crease so that I can get a gradient look on my eyes. Using kajal from Faces, I will be taglining my upper and lower waterline. And then taking the black eyeshadow from the palette, I'll using a smudger brush to smudge my lower lash line of both of the eyes. Then taking a blending brush and blending the lower lash line so I can get rid of the harsh lines. Using the bronze sparkle shade from the palette, I will be patting all over my eyelid and then using a blending brush to blend it all together. Now using fingers, I will be patting the area where I used concealer. Now using a flat shader brush, I'll be using the brown shade to contour my nose as well as my face. Now taking the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer, I will be highlighting the usual parts of my face. All the products that I am mentioning are in the description box below. You can check it out. Using the ash brown shade from the palette, I will be smoking out my lower lash line, and then using the highlighter shade, I will be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. Now using Maybelline Baby Lips Alia Bhatt collection in the shade Broadway Red, I'll be using this as my blush. It's such a natural looking blush. You can use it on daily wear. I'll be curling my lashes and then applying Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara on both upper and lower lashes. Lastly, I will using the Maybelline Super Fresh White Compact in the shade Shell to set the rest of my face using a brush. And now I am setting my face using the DIY setting spray. Lastly, I will complete my look using two lipsticks. One is from L18 Nude shade and second is from Beauty People Pink shade. I got this lipstick from the site known as Orange something. I will link down the site in the description box below. Now I am completing this look wearing a nut. If you like this look, please let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.